By early 2026, the artificial intelligence industry had reached a consensus on how to achieve high-level reasoning, build it bigger. The landscape was dominated by massive monolithic models like GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and Claude Fable 5, systems that require billions of dollars in compute to operate a single, all-knowing brain. Tokyo-based Sakana AI took a different approach with the release of Fugu. Instead of trying to build one giant model that knows everything, they designed a system that acts like a corporate executive board, managing a collective ecosystem of smaller, specialized agents. Sakana calls their new model Fugu an orchestration LLM. It is a coordination layer that reads a user query, identifies the necessary subtasks, and assigns those jobs to the most capable models in its pool. Fugu is an actual language model trained specifically to handle this delegation. It doesn't rely on a simple list of rules. It uses its own reasoning to natively decompose problems and synthesize the results. This strategy decouples intelligence from massive hardware runs. By managing a network of specialists instead of building one massive brain, researchers can now reach frontier-level performance through better coordination rather than just bigger chips. This coordination is powered by two breakthroughs published at ICLR 2026, TRINITY and Conductor. TRINITY fractures tasks into three phases: thinker plans, worker executes, and verifier tests. Above this sits Conductor, a 7 billion parameter reinforcement learning framework. Conductor writes natural language instructions on the fly to guide each external agent through its specific task. Because the coordination is guided by language rather than hard-coded rules, the entire system can autonomously adapt its internal structure to seamlessly solve complex, multi-step problems that it has never encountered before. Sakana benchmarks Fugu Ultra against the industry's most powerful commercial systems to prove that orchestration can keep pace with raw scale. This chart shows Fugu Ultra's performance compared to its monolithic rivals. On the SWE-Bench Pro coding evaluation, Fugu's coordinated approach reaches 73.7%, compared to 58.6% for GPT 5.5. It holds a similar lead on the reasoning benchmark, Humanity's Last Exam, scoring 50. However, this accuracy comes with a trade-off. Running recursive validation loops and building custom agent scaffolds creates significant latency overhead. For quick, simple chat queries, a single monolithic model is still much faster. Fugu Ultra is built for absolute correctness, prioritizing the quality of the answer over how long it takes to generate it. Because of these different needs, Sakana offers different tiers. The standard Fugu tier is built for speed and allows enterprise users to manually toggle specific agents out of the pool. This gives corporations the granular control to ensure sensitive data never leaves their local infrastructure, maintaining strict compliance. Fugu Ultra, by contrast, uses a fixed pool that cannot be modified. Its record-breaking scores depend on an intricate, hard-coded coordination logic that users cannot change without destroying the model's performance. Managing a multi-agent system usually means juggling different API keys and volatile billing rates. Sakana simplifies this by wrapping all background reasoning and self-talk into a flat-rate API tier. Fugu is also a moving target. Every time a new, more powerful open-source model is released, Sakana retrains its coordinators to integrate that model into the workforce. This retraining cycle allows Fugu to automatically inherit global technological improvements. The system gets smarter over time, without requiring engineers to rewrite their own application code. There is a major geopolitical advantage to this approach. Relying on a single model like Claude Mythos leaves an enterprise vulnerable to US export controls, which can cut off access instantly. This map illustrates how orchestration helps maintain AI sovereignty. Fugu gives Japan a way to achieve frontier performance while avoiding the risks of restricted digital borders and single vendor dependency. If one model becomes unavailable or too expensive, Fugu simply routes the workflow to a different agent. It is an inherently resilient architecture that adapts to the shifting landscape of global AI. Sakana's work suggests that a hyper-coordinated group of specialists may be more resilient than a single trillion-parameter monolith. Let us know in the comments, would you trade speed for a perfectly verified answer? Thanks for watching KYC AI Labs. Don't forget to subscribe for more.